How to add wish list on Shopify for free. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can go ahead and add a wish list in your Shopify. Now, you're probably wondering, can I do it directly from Shopify? You can, yes and no. Okay, Shopify itself does not offer you a wish list. Well, what you can do is you can go over to Shopify's App Store, go over this section, and once you're over here, you can basically integrate with the millions of Shopify apps. And one of those millions are a wish list app. So you can go ahead and write in wish list. And as you can see, you get tons and tons of wish list apps over here. Now, there's a lot of these apps, and many of them are built specifically for Shopify. So I'm going to go with this one over here because it's totally free. And once we come to this section, simply click on install. Now, once you click on install, it's going to bring you to your Shopify section where you're simply going to install it. And once it is installed, we have XB wishlist right here. Now, once the wish list is installed and good to go, what you're simply going to want to do from this section is enable extensions. Now, what you're going to do, you're simply going to go over to their settings and enable all the extensions that it requires from you. And the reason for that is because it's going to ask you to, be in the actual header favicon section. So we're going to save all of that. You're going to come back here. You're going to reload this page. And once we reload the page, it's going to let us know which sections are active and inactive. So we have the collections, float, and notification sections as well. So simply come over here to the admin, go to its settings, and from here, make sure to turn on the float and connection settings on. So here we have it. Once you turn it on, do make sure to save it because without saving it, it will not work. So once we have done that, there we go. So we should be good to go from here. Just go ahead and turn on the notification section. And once we turn the notifications on, yeah, we're pretty much good to go from here. So as you can see now that we're all active, go over to general, make sure to save all of that, go to wishlist page. So I'm going to go with a pop-up, click on save. Then you can also choose your launch point accordingly. And now you can come over to, actually check your wish list. You can choose analytics, etc. And this is basically how easy it is to add a wish list on Shopify for free. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.